Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a great honor for me to address this grand gathering of successful Hindu personalities across the globe. On the topic, my association with WHEF and how WHEF can help in business development. I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to Swami Vigyanand Ji. My hearty appreciation to Mr. Sushil Saraf and his team who has made grand arrangements in making this event a resounding success. Let me share with you all one of my personal experiences about how WHEF supported me in my business development. As a serious business aspirant, I am always open for innovative and new business proposals. I was given a proposal recently about the mining business in Turkey. I liked the deal but did not know how much to trust a stranger. I discussed with CEO of WHEF about my intention. To my delight, Dr. Gautam Sen came into picture and connected me with two other members of WHEF. It is a pleasant association. I am able to get enough information and trustworthy information from them. And today I am in the process of finalizing the deal. This is how WHEF made many wonders through its vast network all over the world. I shall share with you my journey so far in brief. I am a chartered accountant turned entrepreneur. Myself along with three brothers, Atul Gupta, Rajneesh Mittal and Vikas Gupta, started our venture Earth Infrastructure Limited in April 2010. Within a short span of 3 years, we are able to start 12 projects in North India of worth more than rupees 110 billion. I am proud to say that we are aggressively working for taking our business to the global level. I met Swami Vigyanand Ji in 2011 and also learned what the forum is supposed to achieve for the Hindu society, that is making the society prosperous. It was a divine coincidence. What Swamiji said about WHEF is what my mind has been looking for from a long time. It reminded me about the spirit of Swami Vivekanand Ji, of whom I very deeply follow since my school days. I firmly believe in the universal appeal of Hindu philosophy and relevance of Hindu Dharma in creating a closely bonded family comprising of all nations of the world. It pains me as I did not get any appropriate answer for the often recurring question to my mind, why we have very less share in the list of 1000 fortune companies, even though we are 1/6 of world population. That's why I am very well convinced with Swamiji that time is now for all of us to build our Hindu economy where the benefits will be for all, irrespective of nationality and any other discrimination. With due regards to the great vision of Swami Vigyanand Ji in initiating WHEF, I now swing in the favor of mission, which is before us all to play a collective role. We all have to follow two steps. First one is every Hindu businessman must grow to a higher level of success in his respective business by utilizing the global opportunities to the best extent. Second was we must encourage and motivate Hindu youth to be entrepreneur. As we all can understand, it is very much unfortunate that Hindu community did not have a global platform to support the Hindu businessmen. Now I believe that WHEF will fill this vacuum. Hindus must be encouraged, facilitated and supported by different means. Facilitating the seed capital is one of the major areas. So let us support the initiative of World Hindu Bank. Let me express my support and announce that I am ready to be the part of World Hindu Bank and will contribute 10% share of the investment needed to form the bank. I am joyful to bring to your knowledge that many business deals were made among the participants of World WHEF Bangkok Hong Kong Conference 2012. Subsequently, I wish that this Bangkok conference shall exceed the set mark. In appraising the concrete efforts of WHEF, I should state that now the Hindu Business web portal is in operation, where registered members can avail many valuable services. This will be a great help in facilitating corporate collaborations across the globe and increasing the business opportunities too. Many great efforts are in place to constitute expert groups which will diffuse practical insights to the challenges which members can avail 24/7. I believe that in coming days, many more value-added services will be available under the umbrella of WHEF. You may agree that our ancient culture was greatly industrialized and popular for manufacturing than any other nation in the world. We are leaders in science and so had a major contribution in world trade. Recently, it is found that in Kerala temple, a wealth of US dollar 20 billion is found. Historians observe that the wealth of the temple could have been generated by then king through the export trade of spices and other herbals. Let us do it again in 21st century, and I am sure WHF will play a vital role in this. I invite aspiring entrepreneurs and startups to take every possible help from me, be it mentorship or seed capital or possible collaborations. Believing that great things happen at the right time, I feel that this event could not have happened at a more appropriate time. We are here today in this historical event to work together in making Hindu society prosperous. Today I see this as a big step ahead. I welcome everyone from Bharat, from Thailand and all across the globe to stand for this cause and get benefited collectively. This event, in my opinion, is about working together. It is about trust which we can share, and the rest what comes out is the byproduct of our trust, friendship and partnership. In the coming 2 days, I expect that we can talk about micro roadmap of this macro vision, that how we are able to make our Hindu society more prosperous. Let the power of great ideas shape the thinking over the next few days, and let the spirit of big dreams engulf us in the process, so that we shape a roadmap for the most prosperous Hindu society that the world will follow in the coming century. As a conclusion, you all will find it relevant that Swami Vivekananda says, "Give me a dozen like-minded patriotic men, I will change Bharat." We are here today in WHEF, 500 plus like-minded visionaries. We can create wonders collectively, which will benefit the whole world in general and the Hindu Dharma in particular. One easiest way to say to the listeners happy is to say thank you. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity.